Are you someone who believes in the power of learning? Do you believe that your success is tied to your personal and professional growth and development? If so, I want to share something with you. It's a little idea called the art of leveling up. It's an educational philosophy that gives you a framework that teaches you how to efficiently learn, develop, and maintain skills. I discovered this philosophy through my personal journey of growth and development. I realized that the more skills I learned, developed, and maintained, the more I grew personally and professionally as a leader, a mentor, a husband, a father, an entrepreneur, and as a person. With the knowledge I have discovered and accumulated, I became committed to leveling up every day for the rest of my life. Because of this, I decided to write a book and create this course where I can share and teach others about this amazing philosophy. So in the course, I discuss what is the art of leveling up, the 6 key principles that are the foundation of the philosophy, what are skills, their importance, and the difference between a skill and a habit, and building a proper framework. So join me in discovering humanity's true potential and learn how to unlock and level up your true abilities. Let's not waste any more time and jump right in. So thanks for listening to me, and I'll talk to you again soon. Take care.